Guys, welcome to another series of well-born foods. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make sausage roll. Let's get started. First, I added 1.5 cup of flour, added sugar and other dry ingredients as stated on the screen. I added 1 egg and I added melted butter. I mixed together properly, and after then I added some water and I mix together again till everything is well incorporated, and after then I take to a flour surface to mix properly, and then after I cover for like 10 minutes for it to be well marinate for like 10 minutes. Then I come back to it after 10 minutes. This is what I have. Then I take to a flour surface to flatten the dough. So I cut it into small pieces. Then after I cut it into smaller pieces, I flatten the bread properly, and then after I flattened it, I'll be putting my sausage. Then I use my pizza cutter to cut it into the sausage shape. Then I use my pizza cutter to cut it. Then I wrapped the dough with the sausage, and at the end of the wrapping, I'll be adding some egg to seal up the mouth of the dough together. Then I'll continue the same procedure with the rest of the dough that I have till I exhaust all the doughs that I have. And after you are done with the procedure, please remember to grease your pan before adding your wrapped sausage. That was the mistake I made. I forgot to grease my pan, which is needed. You just need to use some butter to grease the pan, and so it won't be sticky to the pan after it is baked. So I think I made 5 pieces of this, and this is where I forgot to butter my pan before adding the sausage. So after I've added the sausage to the pan, I used some egg to marinate it, and after then I'll be placing it in the oven for like 40 minutes on 180 degree. And after 40 minutes of baking, this came out very delicious. And this is where the mistake was, and this is what I have after uh baking. This immediately I finished baking, I finished 3 on a spot already. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. See you in my next video.